Smile Sunday, dear friends. It's such a beautiful day, and I am bringing to you today a beautiful technique developed by a Japanese doctor called Dr. Nagata, a surgeon who developed this technique through years of experience, which is called prickling neuro stimulation technique. This can be done by a doctor, an acupuncturist, by stimulating through a certain probe, but you can also do it in your house. I'm trying to share with you something which you can do on your own. This is based on a technique that there are certain dermatomes in the body, certain portions of the body, skin portions, which are given the nerve, just a single nerve stimulates that part of the body. So if we stimulate those parts, we can help body in a very beautiful manner. We can also stimulate the tips of our fingers. Professor Park Jae-woo had developed a therapy called nail therapy, where we stimulate the nails in a certain manner, or put a magnet, or put color. In fact, I have been treating patients by putting some nail polish, like for example, black color when a person has got high blood pressure or feels very hot in the summer. So a certain nail could represent a certain organ. So in this technique, in the nervous neurostimulation technique, we can stimulate the edges of our nails. Let me do it with a pen so that it remains with you. So as a therapist, I would know which finger to stimulate, which nail to stimulate for which disease. But you, on your own, you can stimulate all of these. You can stimulate it with a pen, a probe. Stimulate them. Or you could just massage. In Sujok therapy, we have been doing a lot of nail massage, in a certain direction. So here now we stimulate the ends. If we do it 2-3 times, every point, every day. Maybe if you have a backache, it will go away. If you have a headache, it will go away. So we do this to both the hands. We can do it to the toes as well. After that, we can stimulate the webs, because these are also nerve endings where the nerves end. So dear friends, this will take away all your pains. I'm sure you are going to practice this therapy. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.